I think it will be doing much better with the sun, since strawberries need a lot of sun. It was part of a runner strawberry from this one, but this one gets sun, so this one's fine. But this one's right in the behind the raspberry pot, so we will be moving it. And it has some strawberries, so hopefully they still grow even if I'm transplanting them. Here are the roots. Let's cover this up. We'll probably plant something else here that doesn't need that much sun. Perfect. And I had already made the hole and had put all natural vegetable fertilizer. So this one's gonna get a new friend. There you go. Now we have 1, 2.